Hey, kinfolk. We're keeping our Biggest of Super Bowl series rolling. Show up with these, and you'll instantly be Biggest of Super Bowl. Cowboy sliders. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you would need Hawaiian rolls, ground beef, bacon, crispy onions, cheddar cheese, Kobe Jack cheese, butter, yellow onion, garlic, shallot, jalapenos, thyme, chives, parsley, lemon, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper, and smoked paprika. Begin by dicing half of yellow onion. Dice a shallot. Slice 2 jalapenos. Mince 6 cloves of garlic. Chop up a tablespoon of chives. Remove thyme leaves from stem and chop up a teaspoon of thyme. Chop up 2 tablespoons of parsley. Slice 8 slices of bacon into strips. Shred cheddar cheese and Kobe Jack cheese. Now for the cowboy butter. Start by melting 2 sticks of butter over a low heat. Once the butter has melted, add diced shallot, minced garlic, and let it cook for about 1 minute, just until fragrant. Next, add 1 tablespoon of chives, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Add the zest of half a lemon, followed by the juice of half a lemon. Then add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Season with a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Gently mix until fully combined, then let it simmer for about 2 minutes. And just like that, you've got cowboy butter. Set it aside and allow it to cool completely. While that's cooling, fry the bacon until crispy. Once the bacon is done, remove it and soak up some of the grease. Then in the same pan, add the onions and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the ground beef, break it down as it cooks, and brown it completely. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Once the ground beef is fully cooked, drain any excess grease and set it aside. Next, grab your Hawaiian rolls and slice them in half. Spread a layer of cowboy butter on the bottom half of your Hawaiian rolls. Add a layer of ground beef. Follow with bacon and jalapenos. Then add a layer of cheddar cheese, top with crispy onions, and finish with Kobe Jack cheese. Place the top half of the bun back on and spread more cowboy butter over the top. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. And there you have it, Cowboy sliders. We hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you want more recipes that's big as the Super Bowl, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a recipe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.